All right, so for this problem, what can you notice? The first thing to notice is 3 is common to all the terms, right? You have 3, you have 9, you have 6. So 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 2 is 6. So 3 is common to all terms. What else can you notice? You can notice that x x raised to power negative 1 over 2 is common, right? X negative 1 over 2 is common, right? How do we get x raised to power 3 divided by 2 from x raised to power negative 1 over 2? If you have x squared, if you have this, what do we have? You have negative 1 over 2 plus 2. Now this gives what? 2 divided by 2, that is negative 1 plus 2, 4, which is x 3 over 2. So we have x 3 over 2, right? So, and how do we get 1 over 2? How do we get 1 over 2? X negative 1 over 2 multiplied by x, which is x negative 1 over 2 plus 1. And you know that 1 minus 1 over 2 is 1 over 2. So that shows x negative 1 over 2, that is x raised to power negative 1 over 2, is common to all the sides. So what do we have? We know that 3 is common to all the terms. X negative 1 over 2 is common to all the terms. So for the first term, we are left with what? X squared. For the second term, we are left with what? 3x. And for the last term, we are left with what? 2. So we have this. So this, we are good. Now let's see if we can break this down. What is our AC? AC is 1 times 2, which is 2. What is our B? Our B is negative 3. Remember the sign. Negative 3. So what are the two numbers that you multiply to get positive 2? And when you sum, you get negative 3. Negative 2 and negative 1. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. Negative 2 plus negative 1 will give you negative 3. So this is x squared, negative 2x, negative x, that is 1. So 1 times x is x, plus 2. As you can see, this gives you negative 3x. So we are only replacing, we are only breaking down b. So what next? You connect the first two terms and the last two terms. X is common here, x negative 2. Now what is common here? Remember, we want to write our other term in this format. We need x negative 2. Now how do we get that? This is negative x, but you need x to be here. That shows that what? You have negative 1 here. So negative 1 times x will give you negative x. Negative 1 times negative 2 will give you positive 2. Now x minus 2 is common. Then what do you have? When you take x minus 2 here, you're left with x. When you take x minus 2 here, you're left with negative 1. So, and our answer, you bring down this. So this is our answer. So that is the factor for this expression. So I hope you understand this and you enjoy this video. So let us solve the last problem in the next video.